Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of 2022 January. Okay, so first of all, a happy new year to all of you. And we are going to check out your past, present and future energies in this reading. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, please. Let's see what's there for my Scorpios. January 2022. Past, present, and future energies. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's get started now. Scorpios, let's see. Okay, at the back of the deck we have the Magician. So something you are trying to manifest. You are really trying to manifest. It could be money, it could be a relationship, it could be a removal of negativity kind of a situation. But yes, you are really doing it. In the past we have Two of Swords, Four of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles. There was an energy where you wanted to be single in the past, so you were at a place where people could be telling you to get married. This is for those people who are not yet married or who were single, and you were at a position where you didn't know whether to go for marriage thing or whether to go for your career thing. So you were at a confusion. For those people who are in committed relationship or married or something else, so this is more like an energy where you see, definitely one energy is there that you were confused about something. It could be a decision making which you could not been able to do. Okay, so this is more about money things, like kind of financial thing in family. It can also be, but yes, you do not know where to go and which path to choose. Okay, so in the present we have Three of Cups, Page of Swords and Six of Swords. So something is telling me that you joined hands with someone. Okay, so this is more like, wait, okay, so I'm also getting one more energy of a third party situation here. This could be stalking somebody, and when you are at a place where, yeah, I got it. So it could be a place where you got some thoughts about your person. Okay, so this could be your inner thoughts which were telling you that your person is cheating on you, or you are cheating on your person. It can be either way. So if you're a cross watcher, so this could be your Scorpio cheating on you. So yeah, there is a definite third party energy for some of you at present. It is going on, and that is why the stalking is also happening, where you are trying to know, or your person is trying to know whether wherever you are going, what you are doing and all those things, but this is kind of a silent thing which is not even showing. It is not coming up in the front right now. It's more like something which is going on in the hidden thing. Okay, we will clarify it really. In the future we have Queen of Wands, Nine of Wands and Two of Pentacles. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Some blocking energies are coming up with the definite third party situation also coming up in the light. Okay, so right now it could not be in the light thing, but you are getting some intuition. But this is more like a situation which is coming towards light. Okay, so really, somebody needs to be aware about whatever is happening around. So let's see why the Magician is here. I think you are, okay, so it's not only about the manifestation thing, it's also about putting your thoughts into action. Ten of Pentacles, Two of Cups and Seven of Wands. I feel that you could also have been married to this person, or you feel that this person is your soulmate, but at the same time you are trying to defend yourself because you know that whatever is happening is not happening for right. Because you know that you love a person but the other person doesn't loves you at present. You feel that, okay, because you have given so much to this person, but they are trying to hide it. And let's see. I want to see this past energies. What exactly happened? Two of Swords. Why the Two of Swords is here? Ace of Pentacles, the King of Swords, and the Fool. Okay, so I feel that that the new energy started. Okay, it was a person who came in your life, or you could be the one who went in their life, and the energy which is coming up is kind of like, you enter into a relationship, but you just take risk, or you just go like trusting your instincts. Okay, so let's just uh, take this risk of getting into a relationship, but not getting the inner vibe of getting into that relationship. Out of two people, one person is more just practical kind of a person, could be dealing with an Aquarius or Libra, but this is more of a practical person you were dealing with, and this person was not too much into involved in love the way you were. Okay, so whosoever proposed was the person actually loved. Okay, because or if you didn't propose, that the other person has proposed, so this was more like, society kind of a thing, where you had to propose, or the proposal had to happen, so that things go around and people would know, people could celebrate. So this was more like an energy where only one person was in love, not the other one. That is what is coming up in my cards. All right, I want to see Three of Cups energy in the present, please. Seven of Pentacles, King of Cups, and Six of Cups. Yeah, the person who was in love was in a very patient state, could be dealing with Scorpio, Pisces, or Cancer. Strong Scorpion energy. I feel like this is your energy, Scorpio, where you are really patient and you want the reconciliation. Reconciliation in the sense, you could have been in a no contact zone, okay, or there could have been a contact, but still not at that level which you really want. So you want the same things to happen again, like the way you used to talk before, but somehow you get an instinct of this person not being with you, that gut feeling of this person. That is why the stalking is happening. That is why you are trying to get more information what is going on in your person's life. I see a Seven of Swords energy as well. So yeah, this is more like a cheating kind of a thing which is happening. But let me check why the Six of Swords is here. What kind of a decision making are you doing, Scorpios? Strength, Lovers, Six of Swords again. So I feel that somewhere when you felt that betrayal energy with the Six of Swords again, in both the two cards in the same card, for the same clarification, it feels like you are moving away from the toxicity which was there with this person. You are building that strength, or you have already done this, or you are building that strength of going away. Although you feel a lot with this person, there's a lot of passion involved in this relationship, but you feel that, I really need to take some steps. You are gaining that inner strength in you, and you are wanting to leave this situation as fast as possible, because you felt cheated. You felt that, I have given a lot, but I didn't receive anything, I didn't get anything, and it's my time to go away from this situation as fast as I can. Queen of Wands could be dealing with Leo over here. Let me see. Chariot, Cancer energy is also here. Okay, so Page of Swords, Chariot, and Nine of Swords. So yeah, I think that for some more time the stalking is going to happen. Okay, it's more like you are trying to gain more information about the person also with whom they are dealing with, or something else it could be, but you are not in a very good state which is coming up. So if you are trying to block somebody in your life, so you have to block all the energies. Okay, blocking and then stalking doesn't go by hand in hand. So you have to try to move on, because you are somewhere moving on. You are blocking, you are moving on, but at the same time you are stalking this person. You are trying to find more information, what they are doing, where they are at, and that will not help you, Scorpio, because again it is coming towards a very strong decision making which you have somewhere. You have thought about it, you are trying to do that thing, but if this person comes back, because this person, I feel that this person again will again try to approach you that okay, I'm sorry, I felt like this, I felt like that, so please just please forgive me about whatever I have done. So you are again coming up. Oh my god. So we have 3 of Cups, we have 10 of Swords, and we have 3 of Swords. Oh my god. So you are coming at a position where you will feel again that okay, I am with this person, I was with this person used to love me, what should I do, what should I do, what should I do? So you are thinking, but I'm seeing a final end in this situation, because this is your decision making and it cannot go wrong, Scorpios. Am I right? Okay, so that is all from my side and I hope that helps. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.